Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how you can easily combine data from your base views to create derived views using a join operation. We'll create a combined view of the customer data that we created in the previous video. We'll join the client type, and the address base views to create a new derived view. Right-click on the client view in the navigation panel. Select New, and then Join. This opens the Join canvas. You can add other views to the join by either double-clicking on the view or by dragging the view onto the canvas. Either way works. Now that we've got the three base views onto the join canvas, we can define the join condition by wiring the join columns to each other. So the join between the client and the address views is going to be based on the client ID field. We can define this by wiring the fields. So click on the client ID field in the client view and drag this to the client ID field in the address view. On the resultant connection line, you can see an equal sign. This indicates that the join condition is that the client ID fields must be equal for the join to occur. Now let's connect the client type field in the client view to the code field in the client type view. And now we've defined the conditions for our join. If you look at the Output tab, you can see that there's a warning. Holding the pointer over the tab will display the warning message. You can see that we've got a field naming conflict because we have two fields called client ID, one from the client view and the other from the address view. As these fields are the same, we can just delete one of the fields. Alternatively, you could resolve the name conflict by renaming one of the fields. To delete a field, simply select the field and click on the Remove Selected button. We'll also give the new view a more meaningful name. We'll call this derived view Personal Data CRM. Finally, click on the OK button to complete the view definition. Now that we've created the derived view using a join, you can see the new derived view in the navigation pane on the left. We'll execute a query to see the combined data. Click on the Execute button to get the query definition screen. We'll execute a simple select star query on the derived view, so click on the Execute button again. And Denodo Express gets the data from the underlying data sources, the three database tables in this case, combines the data, and returns the combined data. And you can see that we've got the client data, the address data, and the customer type information. So now you've created a derived view that combines data from different data sources and presents the results as if they came from a single relational table. In the next videos in this series, we'll look at some of the more advanced operations that you can perform with Denodo Express.